personally know that I'm capable of whatever I put my mind to. Whether someone agrees with that or not is not a concern of mine.
What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here with another cleaning video. So today we're going to do general cleaning in my bedroom. Every time I clean my bed, I always turned my bed around to give my mattress a good balance when I'm sleeping, so that I don't have like an uncomfortable sleep at night, or I have issue with my back. So I always like to turn my bed around. The weather is really nice outside, so I am taking the deck bed and the cushions outside in the sun, so it's a little bit warm up. I don't need to wash them. So now I'm going to take off this dirty bed sheet. I was eating breakfast on bed the last time, so I accidentally pour some tea on the bed. Luckily, I have this mattress protector, and so it was dirty. So now I've washed it. I'm going to put that back in on the bed. Like, I don't know, sometimes I just like to eat breakfast in bed, and I have those accidents that I accidentally pour the tea or drop something on the bed, and then yeah, the mattress protector gets messy. But I'm happy this one I got. It's very good protective. Even though you pour tea, wine, whatever you pour on the bed, it will never touch the mattress. So I'm very grateful. So I've washed that, and now I'm going to put this on the bed. The last few days I didn't have the mattress protector, so I was very careful. I didn't have any breakfast in bed. I didn't drink any wine, anything on the bed, because I was scared that I may accidentally pour something. So now that I've had my mattress protector back, I've washed it and I put it back on the bed. And so, yeah, I can go ahead and have breakfast in bed. Like, I don't know, weekends, I like to really make myself some really nice breakfast and just have breakfast in bed. I don't know, I just love it. Just like to treat myself, take care of myself, give myself some treatment. I always say, treat yourself the way you want to be treated. I don't wait for someone to give me a special treatment if I know I can give myself that. So yeah, so after putting the mattress protector, I'm going to put the bed sheet. Um, I really love this mattress. This mattress is so good. The entire mattress is just sponge. It doesn't have any iron. Some mattress do have ions in them. This one is entirely sponge. It doesn't have any iron, any metal, anything in there. It's just 100% sponge. I got this mattress from IKEA, and I got it for like, I think, 500 plus euros. I got it, and it's really worth it. I've had it now, I think, for a year, and I'm really happy. And also, whenever I'm changing my bed sheet, I always make sure I turn the mattress around. Sometimes I will let the mattress stand up, remove everything, open the windows so that the air fresh air can touch the mattress. So because the weather is so nice, it's not like really nice, it's still cold. So I decided to hang this one outside so that it just gets some fresh air. And now I'm going to vacuum the bedroom. So, because I have asthma and I have allergic problem, those are the two worst combination that anyone can have. I always have to make sure I clean underneath my bed. I don't do this every single day, but at least once in 2 weeks I have to clean underneath the bed, make sure I get rid of all the dust, the stuff, everything on top of the wardrobe. I have to make sure I clean it, like make sure I clean everywhere, get rid of all the dust in the bedroom, because if not that, I will not sleep at night. My allergic reaction will go all the way up. And when my allergic reaction go all the way up, my asthma also go all the way up, and then I have issues with breathing. So that's the reason why I'm like, when I'm cleaning, it takes forever. Something that people be like, oh no, you just clean 30 minutes. When I'm cleaning, it takes forever. I have to speed this video because when I'm cleaning, I'm every single corner I am touching. Like I go over things double. So that's how I clean. It's crazy, but it really helps when I do this. I can sleep really nice at night, and that's the reason why I always like to have plants in my bedroom. I have plants. I have snake plants. I have That's the reason why I have plants all over the house. Let's just say that I have plants all over the house because those plants really helps clean the air and give me like a really nice breathing air for me to breathe. And yeah, so yeah, I just go over with the vacuum after cleaning underneath the bed. I just go with the vacuum every little corner. I open the wardrobe, the downside of the wardrobe, because when the wardrobe is closed, sometimes you can't really clean it very good. But I open the wardrobe, and the downside, I go over that. Like I go over things crazy. The way I clean is ridiculous, but it's really helps. With It really helps me a lot because yeah, it really helps me a lot. I go over things like crazy. I the way I clean is crazy. That's why when I'm cleaning, sometimes I take the whole day off. I know, okay, today's Saturday. I'm not having any plan. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to clean the house. And that is exactly how I do it. So I just vacuum, go over things like the corner of when you have these laminates, the little corner there. I just go on top of it like crazy. Like my cleaning style is crazy, but it does help me. So I go over vacuum over and over and over and over again with the vacuum. Just go over and over with things. And I don't mop the floor all the time because it's wooden, so you don't really mop all the time. So I just vacuum, and sometimes I just take towels and I just wipe the floor. And now I'm just going to clean the mirror. My mirrors are no, it's not always dirty. It's really clean all the time, but sometimes you have those moment that you are in a hurry and you just accidentally touch the mirror and then you have your fingerprint on it, and I can't stand that. So I always try to make sure I clean the mirrors, make sure everything is clean, it's nice. When the house is clean, I feel so good. When the bedroom is clean, I feel so good. Like for me, home is one of the most my most comfortable place. Home. There are only two places in the world that you feel comfortable, that you have peace: your home and your grave. So if you cannot have peace in your home, then I don't know where else you're gonna have peace. In your grave, and nobody's gonna wait till I have peace in my grave. So I'm always trying to make sure I make my home as comfortable as I want it, so I can have like peace. That's the reason why I love being home. People be like, why you always like to be home? I go out, but majority of my time I spend it home because I just feel home. Home is just home for me. It's the way I organize it the way I want it. All the stuff that are in the house is the things I love. So I'm always love being at home, just chilling home, making some really nice breakfast, lunch, dinner, and just chilling. I really love that, and it's really nice. So I am a crazy cleaner. I go over things over and over and over and over. Like I said, I go things over and over, and I clean every little space in the house. I just clean everything. I make sure I clean the vanity that I'm having. I just go over it with the towel and just clean everything. Because sometimes when you are taking your makeup or you are taking something out of it and you have your fingerprint on it, I can't stand stuff like that. So I will just go over everything, clean everything, make sure I get rid of all the dust, and I just do this. And after I do it again, I'll go ahead again and vacuum once, and then yeah, just crazy. Like, yeah, we all have our own way of cleaning. Like when I'm cleaning, I really do deep cleaning. That's why I clean I don't, when I know that I have nothing doing, I have no appointment, I'm not going anywhere. I just want to relax and just clean. Like cleaning is also like a therapy for me, you know. I clean, I listen to some meditation, I listen to some motivational speak, which I love listening to. And it's just clean. I just clean. And sometimes I don't really pay attention to the time, and I just clean. I love cleaning. I love cleaning, and it feels so good when the house is clean. Everything is just organized. Everything is on the right place. It just feel really, really good. So yeah, because the deck bed and the cushions, they are all outside, so I cannot fix those right now. I will do it later. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'll just go and come back and go over. Like I said, I go over things crazy. Just go over things again. So guys, I just want to show you guys the finished result. So this is what it looks like. I've already fixed the bedding because the bed that doesn't have enough space on the side there. So what I did is I fold the stuff, so I double fold it, so that's why it looks a little bit thick on this side, because I kind of fold it because I don't want it to hang on the floor. So this is what it looks like. This, I have my mini little windows, and I put my laptop back there because I like to sit down there and edit. And yeah, this is what it looked like. I'm thinking of putting something here, just something, because now it looks a little too plain, but I don't know yet. But I bought this shelf from IKEA, which I have on top of this wardrobe, and I'm thinking of fixing it on top of there, and then look for something nice to put there. I don't know yet, but so far so good. This is what everything looks like. I have all my cream. I love candles, but now the weather is nice, so I left the window open. So later in the night I'm going to put some candles, light some candles, and yeah. And for the wardrobe, I love it. So this is what it looks like. I've cleaned everything. It looks nice. I feel like, even though it doesn't look like it's a lot of space, but I love the fact that when you are putting your clothes, you can actually see yourself in the mirror and see how your outfit looks like. Because that was, for me, the main reason of getting closets with mirrors, because the other way it was standing, it was nice, but I prefer it like this way. And for the closet here, you guys want to see me, I have a little space to access this one here. These are more like home. Excuse me, I have allergic problem right now. I have a Hoycoat. I don't know if you guys know what Hoycoat is, but that is the allergic problem that I'm dealing with right now. So even though I've taken my medication, but I still have some issues with it. So this is it. I feel like it's very simple, and there I have some of my bags that I go to. My laptop bag, if I have an appointment, I'm going to the office, is I'm going to appointment, like, to the office to help me with some. I'm going to see my mentor is going to help me, or let me say, like, my manager is going to help me with some files. I normally take that bag there and just put my laptop there and go. So I always have that one there behind this one. This one is just my mommy bag, and this one is my laptop bag, and this is just some bags that I got from TK Maxx, and I just put it in there. So yeah, and that's my rope behind, and my PJs is also hanging behind it. So it's very simple. I love how everything is just organized and everything is just kept, instead of just everything just lying everywhere. I really don't like messy things. Like, here is just all my jackets, and underneath there I just have my PJs and stuff like that. And yeah, so yeah, this is it. This is the overall review. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.